This Armor Grille gives you everything that you need to replace your factory grille. It even gives you provisions to relocate your front camera if you have it. We don't have one on this truck, so we're not going to use it, but it's nice to have it if you need it. It's also going to give you a wire harness that's going to be a T-harness for these two lights that you're going to tap into your parking lights, so those will illuminate when the ignition's on and the parking lights are running. It also gives you these two end cap pieces to extend the flow of the grille on each side. So this grille is designed to work with 2022 to 2025 Chevy 1500 trucks. This is a 2022 model that we're going to be putting this onto, and the first step we're going to do is we're going to be removing the factory grille, and we're going to place this in place, and then we're going to start wiring it up. So here it is, all installed, American Modified grille. These are wired directly into these parking lights, so when your parking lights come on, those are going to come on automatically. This light bar in the middle here, you can wire it into your headlights. We decided to put it on a separate switch, so you can put it on and off as you like it. But we're really happy with the fit and finish of it. It fits seamlessly. You know, love the matte finish on it. It really contrasts the truck well. We want to thank American Modified for giving this opportunity to put this grille in. We're loving this product. We're going to be selling a lot more in the future. Call us if you need some. You can reach us 440-946-2178. Thanks.